up fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to Japan. I'm just here at the airport right now just eating some snacks. So I'll see you guys on the plane. Hey guys, so we're here in Tokyo. We have a connecting flight to Osaka right now. It is currently 6:30. I had like the worst night of my life. I got like zero sleep, honestly. I've not slept. I pulled an all-nighter, bro. Well, yep, that's about it. So we'll see you guys in Osaka. We don't really have a lot planned for today. We're just gonna go for dinner. So I'll see you guys for dinner, and I'll give you a room tour of our hotel. I'm just here at the Tokyo airport right now. So guys, so we're here in Osaka. We're roaming the streets, seeing what there is, because we've not had lunch and we had a night flight. So yeah, I'm super tired. So anyways, we're gonna go eat something. Our hotel room is not ready yet because it's only like, I don't know what the time is, but the room is only ready by 3, so we're just gonna do something till then. So we just finished lunch and we're gonna head back to the room. I will finally show you guys the room. It's epic, trust me. After that, we might or might not go for dinner. Probably not, because like we're all very tired, but if we do, I'll see you guys there. So we're finally in the room. Please ignore how I look. I'm getting ready right now. So anyways, the room is a little messy right now, but it's okay. First, I'll show you the amazing view. You got the hills in the background, and all the buildings. Then we got this little couch area, right? Then we got the bed, like the whole bed stands. Then we got this little area where you can make coffee and all. And then we got the TV, then a little like whatever that's called, and then our suitcases, right? There's like a night suit down there, uh clothes, like which they gave. Okay, now the craziest part is, right, this is where you enter from. You got this mirror, right? Then you got the toilet, okay? But then you got the sink, which isn't in the bathroom, right? Then my favorite part, the shower slash bathtub. And the craziest thing is, like, you have to, like, this is the bathroom. This whole thing is the bathroom. So, like, as soon as you enter, you have the bathroom. Not crazy. Okay, well, anyways, that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm going to the Osaka Castle. You heard that right? Osaka Castle. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's officially day 3 on my trip to Japan. So currently we are just getting ready to go to the Osaka Castle. Then we're gonna go to a observatory deck, and after that we're gonna head over to Dotonbori to see the Running Man. So I'll see you guys at Osaka Castle. So we just got both of our trains. We got off at the wrong station, but then we hopped on the next train. So now we just have to walk all the way to the Osaka Castle, which will take like 5-10 minutes. And yeah, then we will finally see the Osaka Castle. Few things you should know about Japan: they don't have dustbins anywhere. You have to carry your own like plastic bag for it, and you always think there's gonna be a language barrier, but there really isn't. Everything's translated to English. You don't even have to like ask people for help or anything. So I'll see you guys at the Osaka Castle. Guys, so we finally reached the Osaka Castle. It is right over there. Check it out. It is like bloody big in it. Wow, there's nothing inside. It's been like rebuilt a couple of times, like it got broken and stuff. And what, like, check out. I don't know if that's real gold. Probably is though. Look, oh my god, it's so beautiful looking. It's just something you can keep glancing at. Okay, anyways, a little bit closer, and then we're gonna take a couple of pictures, and we're not going to the observatory deck anymore, as like we've already been to a couple in Thailand and all. So yep, we're gonna go to Dotonbori after this, so look at that. Anyways, peace. So now we're on the top floor of the Osaka castle. Yep, so that's the roof, right? So that's where we came from. So if we go here, you can see the whole city, the mountains. Right, they use like these cannon thingies, right? Then we go over here. That's where they had battles and all. So I told you that we were going to Dotonbori. So we've officially reached. It's right over there. That's Running Man right over there. Crazy, bro. We're finally here. So it is officially day 4 in Osaka. I believe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yep, day 4. So today we're doing something super exciting. We're going to Universal Studios. That's right. We're going to do so many roller coasters. We're going to have so much fun. So I'll see you guys there. So we're here at Universal. Check it out. It's like crazy. They got Super Nintendo World. We're going to have lots of fun. We're going to do all the rides. So yep. Guys, so we just did the back dropper. So basically it goes backwards. And then we also did Hollywood, the ride. Super fun. So we're gonna do some more rides. That's shit. That's the ride over there. See? Yep. So anyways, I'll see you. So we just finished the Minion Maze. It was pretty fun, but trashy, honestly, like, because I'm old. It was mostly for like babies. So we're in the Minion park right now, right? So we're just over to the Harry Potter theme. We are here in Harry Potter land, and we're gonna do the ride. Check it out. Snow everywhere. That's the ride over there. We're gonna go do it. So hopefully it's fun. So yep. So it's been a while, but we have finally reached Super Nintendo World. Check it out. It's right over there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're probably only gonna do a couple of rides like Yoshi's Adventure, Minecart Mayhem, and something else. So, holy god, bro. Nah, check it out. We got it. I don't even know who that is. Just look. Look at that, bro. Look at it. Oh my god, they got coins. They got Yoshi. They got whatever what's his name? I don't know. I don't really watch Nintendo. Yep. So it is officially our last day in Osaka. So we're going to go to a Ferris wheel right now. Yeah, and that's pretty much the plan. And then we're just gonna see some nice restaurants to eat lunch and dinner. But yeah, I don't think I'll record much today, only from the Ferris wheel. Literally so cold. My eyes are literally watering, bro. It says on the weather app it's like -1. So we are at the top of a Ferris wheel right now. You can see everything behind me. Check it out. Yep. Oh, like check out the view. It's like so nice. Yeah. I'm gonna sit here for a while until we go down. So yeah. I'll see you tomorrow in Tokyo. Bye. Hey guys. So right now we're at the bullet train station, or I'm not sure what it's called. So yeah, we're going to Tokyo right now. So Osaka was really fun though. I'm gonna miss it. But Tokyo is so much more fun. There's so much more stuff to do there. Like we're going to this place called Fuji Q Highland. It's like an amusement park right in front of Mount Fuji. So that's like epic. We're gonna go to Team Labs. For Christmas we're going to this really nice rooftop restaurant. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy fun. And if you think Osaka was crazy, just wait till we reach Tokyo. So I'll see you there. So we're currently in the bullet train. It and it's like so epic. Check it out. We have like a lot of space. I got my bag here. The seats are like super wide. You can recline it. There's a light, and I'm not sure what this does, but and then you got the food thing. Then you got a footrest which you can adjust, and then finally, you couldn't see anything for a sec. There's another bullet train right there, but check it out. Right now the view is not so good because like we're in some construction site. This place, it's just epic. I mean, it's not like, it doesn't really make a difference if you're like, I'm not sure because this is like first class or something. But yeah, there's a lot of food space, so that's nice. Okay, anyways, I will see you guys in Tokyo. Guys, so we're finally in the room and it's epic. It's crazy. Okay, so you entered obviously. Then you have an area over there, right? I'll show that later. Then we go to the bathroom. So yeah, what up? Pretty nice. Toilet heated and all, but like this, it's really weird because toilet paper's in there. Then okay, it's this way. Then the shower. Okay, pretty nice, a lot of space. And then we got the bathtub. Oh shit. Right. Okay, so then you got this little mirror. What up? Right. Then we got the suitcase and check it out. So we have a cupboard over here, right? And then you can close this if you feel like it or leave it open. Then you have the beautiful bed, right? Then you got massive TV. And are these doors? Yep. Oh. Then you have a mini fridge over there and water, coffee maker, whatever that is. I'm pretty sure that's a garbage can. Okay, then you have the table. Then you got this beautiful chair, bedside table, lamps. And then finally the view. They don't have curtains. They have these thingies, which you can just slide and close the view. It's a pretty epic room. I really like it. It's epic, much bigger than the last one. But yeah, so we're just gonna eat dinner and lunch. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're currently at the metro station waiting for a train. We're gonna go to Shinjuku Temple. It's a really famous Sensoji Temple. It's a really famous temple. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Guys, so we're currently at the Sensoji Temple. It's epic. Check it out. Look at that. I don't know if you can see everything, but the entrance is there on that thing. This is like the main hall. We're gonna enter, and then some scripts sitting there. We have a pagoda, I think that's called, and then yeah, just check it out. We're gonna explore this whole temple. Then we're gonna go to that little. Why is my camera so blurry? Sorry, technicalities. We're gonna go over to that observatory deck over there. It's super high. It's like 460 meters. After we're done that, we're just gonna chill, have some dinner. So I'll see you guys at the observatory deck. So we're currently at Tokyo Skytree, and this is the 300 and we are 350 meters high up. We still have to go higher all the way to 450. Just out the view. You know, you can even see Mount Fuji from here. I'm not sure, it's like somewhere there. We'll go there. But like, check out the view. You can see the whole city. So I'm gonna take some pics and have fun. Hey guys, so we're today is Christmas, so very Merry Christmas to you guys. So we're going to right now we're just gonna go to a shrine. I'm not sure what the name is. Then we're gonna go to Shibuya Sky, and then we got this reservation at a very nice restaurant. So I'm gonna see you guys at the shrine. So we finally reached the shrine. It's called the what's it called?
Meiji Jingu.
Yeah, Meiji Jingu Shrine. So check it out. You have to go through a whole forest to reach it, and just like look at the entrance. So cool. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun, and then we're gonna go to Shibuya Sky and take some pics. It's an open air place, so it's even more cooler. So we're currently at Shibuya Sky. We're not there yet. We're at the Sky. So all we're gonna do is go up. Wait, you can't. Never mind. But we're in the building. We just gotta go all the way to the top floor. And we're gonna have a few drinks there. Not me, because I don't drink alcohol, obviously. But I'll have a Coke or something. So yep, I'll see you guys at the top. Guys, check it out. We are at the top. Look at that view. There are mountains in the back. Just check out this view. It's crazy. Like, oh my god. Just like look at this. Look at this. It's like so tiny. Like literally. Look at that. That is so tiny, the helipad. Talking about helipads, there's a helipad over there. Like on top of this. Wait, I'll show you. One sec. Yeah. Literal helipad. That's how tall this is. There's a helipad at the top. Okay guys, just gonna have some fun. Hey guys, so we're currently at Fuji-Q Island. If you can see right behind, those are the rides. It's epic. It's not as cold as you would expect, but like it's Mount Fuji somewhere that way behind this building. Yeah, the park only opens up at 10. So we had to wake up early because we had to catch a bus to come here. So we have like 30 minutes to kill. So let's do some rides. Last day in Japan, so we're not gonna do much today, but currently in front of the Godzilla head. Yeah, we finished mostly everything there is to do in Japan, so we're just gonna check out Godzilla head, eat some ramen. Actually, we've not had ramen this whole trip, maybe once actually, but yeah, we're just gonna have some fun. So saying that, I'm gonna end this video right here. So peace out, thanks for watching, bye.